Excop linked to the fatal shooting of entertainer INSTABOSS deported from the United States.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force who fled the island to the United States after being wanted for fatally shooting entertainer INSTABOSS in St. Mary last year has been deported from the North American country. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, along with Enforcement and Removal Operations, ERO, removed the Jamaican national on Thursday, August 30, according to a news release. The Excop, 24-year-old O'Shane Wayne Thompson, was removed from the U.S. via an ICE Air Operations charter flight. He was later handed over to the Jamaican authorities and was arrested by the Bureau of Special Investigations (BSI) on Thursday. Thompson, who had reportedly resigned from the police force before he fled the island, is to appear in the St. Mary Parish Court next week on murder-related charges. He is implicated in the killing of 31-year-old Kristen Pearson, also known as INSTABOSS or Maffy of Charlestown, St. Mary and Exchange in St. Ann, who was shot dead on May 7, 2017. It was alleged that sometime after 4 a.m., Pearson and the Excop had an altercation, allegedly over a woman at a party in Trinity near Port Maria in St. Mary. Eyewitnesses at the time alleged that Pearson used a bottle to hit the cop, and it was at that point in time that the lawman pulled his firearm and fired, hitting Pearson in the chest. Pearson was later pronounced dead at hospital, while the cop was also taken to the hospital where he received treatment for his injuries. The policeman was subsequently interviewed by investigators from the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, and was later released. Thompson then tendered his resignation to the JCF, which was reportedly approved. According to a news release from ICE on June 13, 2017, Thompson boarded a flight to the US and legally entered with a non-immigrant visa, with authorization to remain in the United States until December 13, 2017. But on June 19, 2017, Interpol issued a red notice for Thompson for the crime of murder. The release further added that on June 26, 2017, the ERA National Criminal Analysis and Targeting Center in Williston, Vermont, advised ERA New York that Thompson may be residing in the New York City metropolitan area. Thompson's visa was revoked by the U.S. Department of State on June 28, 2017. 9 months later, Thompson was arrested on immigration charges by ERA deportation officers from the New York City and New York field offices in Pennsauken, New Jersey on March 19, 2018. Thompson was ordered removed by an immigration judge in New York City on August 2 of this year. The Jamaican later waived his right to an appeal and was then deported.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.